Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This unfinished apartment complex in Ocho Rios, Jamaica is 1 in a million for investors. The complex is approximately 65% complete and consists of 11 units ranging from 1-bedroom apartments to 3-bedroom apartments and studios. The property is located in a prime location of Great Pond, just 3 minutes outside of the resort town of Ocho Rios. With a fresh pair of eyes, this property could be easily turned into a cash flowing income earner. The land area of this apartment is approximately 28,836 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this property and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this property is Jamaican 68.5 million or US $445,000. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.